Sun skettiä Valkeakosken pistetalovan.
Yes, this is Lempääläntie 41 in Valkeakoski, Valkeakoski, Finland, and sadly it was modernized by Otis. Actually, this was an early ValmetSchlieren. We is 185, built 1961, turned 60 years old this year in 2021, was sadly replaced. It's going to be selected this year, 2021, or modernized. Modernized by Otis 2006, the newer serial number is B1739, and capacity is 8 persons, so 640 grams. So actually this was even more amazing than the 1966 one, or 65.
Yeah.
So sadly this was one, but at least the other one is the original.
Yeah.
And this one had the black buttons.
Yeah.
And maybe it was a fast one with black buttons.
Yeah.
But this is not so fast, so I don't think it was.
Yeah.
This is too slow.
This might be the first ValmetSchlieren in Pirkanmaa.
This one.
Yeah.
Could be, yeah. Or maybe it is faster, so this was being faster also.
Yeah.
Maybe this was summarized in early 2006.
Yeah.
Because it still feels a bit 1990s. A little, but not completely. This demonstration turned 15 years old this year in 2021. But the Valmet from 1960 we haven't found anywhere.
Yeah.
Just 1950 now.
Yeah. Expected documents maintained by Otis, so no discredits.
Somehow I feel we should find the one from late 1960 Valmet.
Yeah.
Well, we haven't found it yet. But we know from that year that they were granted the license. So
Yeah.
that from 1961 I think it was ValmetSchlieren, but still.
Yeah.
It's kind of strange. But it should exist somewhere. That's it.
That's